Declutter your desktop in just 30 seconds. A messy desktop means a messy mind. So we're gonna create folders, drag our files, and hide icons and declutter in just 30 seconds. So you can see my desktop right now. I'll just do a right click and I'll go to view and I'll select show desktop icons. So it is quite organized. All you need to do is to create folders by doing a right click, go to new and click on folder. And here you can mention whatever you want. And once you are done with the folder, you can drag and drop the files on that folder and do a right click on that and select auto arrange icons. The moment you do that, it will be automatically arranged. And whenever you want to hide icons, then you just need to do a right click, go to view and uncheck this show desktop icons. The moment you do it, you will feel the calm instantly. Absolutely clean and minimal, and you will like it. So if you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.